Welcome back to the channel, everyone. The Santa Maria here, and you all, this is a haul, a mini haul I have been sitting on for like 2 weeks now. I've been holding it in, and I'm so excited to finally have the time and space to share it with you all. Yes, I did end up ordering some more Homeworx from QVC. Yes, QVC, I am officially at auntie status doing my QVC orders, you all. But yes, I'm so excited. This is technically 2 orders, but I want to wait until the second order came so I can make it all in one video, because yeah, your girl ended up placing the order late at night because yeah, when the price is right, you just have to grab it. So at last, I'm excited to share with you all my QVC Homeworx exclusives situation, and yeah, we're gonna get all the way into this tea. But at last, before we do that, elves, you know what time it is. Lipstick of the day, everyone. We went for very subtle glam, very chill. Yes, and we have lipstick of the day is from MAC, and this is the shade Bad and Bare. Bad and Bare. It's a kind of taupey nude color. Let me know what you think. I have MAC chestnut liner paired with it with a little gloss on top. But alas, Bad and Bare is your lipstick of the day, and I have it in the description box for those that are inquiring. Next up, we have fragrance of the day, everyone. Fragrance of the day. This has a hold on me because, you all, it's a low of 39 degrees. It's totally not spring anymore. It's winter, even though I have flowers going on. Hello, get into the rose wall I have here. But yeah, fragrance of the day is none other than Jo Malone's Myrrh and Tonka, because this is perfect for under 50-degree weather. And you all, this smells divine. I have a full dedicated video on this. You can definitely check out at your own leisure, but yes, perfect for cold weather. Again, Jo Malone's Myrrh and Tonka fragrance of the day. So all right, elves, let's get into this QVC/Homeworx haul. So when QVC has like clearance on Homeworx products, I'm always so tempted, and that's definitely the case what happened here. As you all know, that with Homeworx on QVC, that's when you get like the double sets, and you also have like pedestals and reed oils and whatnot. They have certain offerings that you can only get on QVC that are exclusive to QVC and not to the Homeworx official website. I have to say that. And two, I also have to stress, for those elves that do know, yes, I am an affiliate. I do work with Homeworx, but that is with Homeworx, the official site. My code does not work on QVC. I have to emphasize it again. My code does not work on QVC. I am not an affiliate with QVC. So last, these were purchased with my own coins. I just want to go ahead and get that out the way. So yes, I ended up ordering a clearance item from Homeworx. Let me show it to you. So first off, the candle comes packaged like this in this kind of box. It has the name on it, and the candle is, and this is so pretty, especially with summer coming at some point. I don't know when, it's not today. Again, 39 degrees. But alas, the candle I picked up was the Hibiscus flowers. Y'all, look at this label. Tell me we are not on vacation right now. I mean, the label is everything for hibiscus flower. Let me read you all the notes. So notes we have are red hibiscus, mango slices, nectar blossom, and tiara flower. You all know I'm loving tiara flower right now because I had tiara sunrise candle also by Homeworx. I did a post-burn review on it, and the candle was fabulous. Fabulous. So now let's get into this hibiscus flower candle. It is a 4-wick candle, and it has a melon type of colored wax. And yeah, let's smell it. Oh yeah, you smell the mango in here. You definitely smell the mango slices. This is summer vacay. So this is another one I will be waiting to burn because right now I'm just not in the mood for it, but I didn't want to miss the sale price on it. It's a clearance item right now on Homeworx. And yeah, let's see, what else do I get? I definitely get the mango, and I do smell the nectarine blossom in here too. I'm thinking the other notes will come out when I burn it, but alas, that's what makes it fun to burn candles, because what you get on cold sniff can be very different from what you get from the actual burn experience, and that is why we do post-burn reviews on the channel. Oh, this is good. I like this. And again, this is the hibiscus flower candle that I picked up from Homeworx off of QVC. I mean, yeah, I'm sorry. One more time for the label. Check that out. And what made this candle so cool was this came in a candle and pedestal set. So that's what made me pull the trigger and what makes this so exciting. And then again, the fact that it was on clearance, and it's still on clearance last I checked. So in addition to the candle, my pedestal comes in this box, and you all, it has all of the styrofoam and everything in it. This thing was not getting damaged, okay? And we love good packaging. We stand good wrapping. We love it. So then my pedestal also arrived with this candle. And you all, the pedestal is just everything. It is boss. It is big boy. And that's the main reason why I've been like so anxious to hurry up and post this video, because I'm ready to use this pedestal. And y'all, check out this pedestal. This, honey, is how you do a candle holder. This is a pedestal. Do you all see how detailed and ornate this is? And I just love the bases of these things, because the bases have Harry's signature on it. Check it out. Very nice texture. And yes, check out the actual platform of which your candle is placed. I even sit my Bath & Body Works candles and some of my Goose Creeks on here as well, because if it can hold a Homeworx candle, it can definitely hold a standard 3-wick size candle. And just so you all get the visual, look how pretty that is. This is so pretty. This will absolutely be in my living room where my couch is, where the guests sit when they come over, because you all, I'm sorry, this is a whole entire mood. And that's why when I saw this thing was on clearance, I had to grab it. Plus with QVC, they have like the easy payment situation. You can do like 3, you can do like 5. So yeah, you can, they make it extremely convenient for you to get things. Just saying, they was on that tip before we had a firm and Afterpay and all that. QVC, HSN, them kind of places was doing it first. But yes, get into the pedestal, you all. Check that out. And I'm very excited to have this set. So I love that set so much that it was another set I saw on Homeworx QVC tab page on their website. And yeah, I ended up pulling the trigger on this one at midnight, because I said, you know what, this is a set that people aren't checking for right now, but with the seasons changing and it's eventually going to turn into summer and get warm, this is going to sell out and I'm not missing out on it. So yeah, let me show you the one I got next. To keep the format going, I'm going to show you all the candle first. So again, candle came in the standard box. And the candle I got, ooh, this thing is strong. Ooh, this is strong. The candle I picked up is beach grass. Yes, beach grass. You all, this candle is strong on cold. I could smell this when I like cut open the box. I already could smell it even with the lid on. So I said, oh, this is gonna be a powerhouse. It's a powerhouse on cold. And I love the wax color. Oh, it's so pretty. I will show you all shortly. But let's get into the notes. Notes are beach grass, sparkling citrus, orange blossom, and oak moss. So yeah, the oak moss is going to give it some girth. And with it being a grass scent, this is very green for sure. And now let's get back to the wax I was telling y'all about. Look how pretty that wax is. It's a baby blue color. It matches the wraparound label. It's so pretty. 4 wicks. And yeah, let's smell it. You all, this is giving laundry, like linen clean, but with grass. And I'm here for it. This is what you want to wake up and smell when you're at your beachside resort on fill in the blank island. Oh, this is fabulous. This needs to come back onto Homeworx's like official website. Yeah, I need this back this year. But QVC, you did something with it. This is great. Okay, I'm getting, yeah, the sparkling citrus, the beach grass. I like this. This is clean. This is summer clean. Yeah, this is a summer clean scent. This is a scent that's not too grassy, because I'm not the biggest fan of candles that are too green. There's enough green in here to keep its fresh note, but it ain't so green that it's like straight grass. Even though I would have understood with a name like beach grass after all, but no, this one is pretty. This is very crowd friendly, it's very guest friendly, and I for sure will be burning this in my living room. Again, this is the Homeworx beach grass candle. And like I said, I bought it as a set because I had to have the pedestal that comes with it, you all. This pedestal is everything, and I have kept it wrapped up because it's just so not seasoned for it yet, but I wanted it anyway, and I just wanted to put it up for later. And check out the pedestal for you all. at the details of this seashells. Look at this. Look how detailed and ornate this is. I love the inside, and again we have the black bottom. Super nice and luxe, you all. This is so realistic to like actual seashells and other things you find on the beach just washed up. This is fabulous. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness, that's why I said, you all, this is not in season yet, but it's a summer set. But this is so pretty and so detailed. I'm sorry, Harry knocks it out the park with these pedestals. They're so ornate. They're not basic at all, and you only get them from him. I love it. So you all get the visual. Check it out. Look how pretty that is. Tell me this isn't cute for your summer decor. Like, oh my goodness. And I love a seashell moment. Love it. So alas, that is that set, and yes, here's my seashell pedestal. So alright elves, that wraps up my haul from QVC with Homeworx and their special items. I had to have some of those pedestals. They're just so pretty. I will definitely be using the flower one, the hibiscus flower pedestal now, and I will be saving the beach grass pedestal for summer. But I'm grateful to have them because yes, things do sell out on QVC, and of course I will have both of these sets linked in the description box below, so you can check them out for yourselves, because again, they were clearance items. So yes, they will not be on the website forever. Definitely check it out if you're interested. And yeah, remember, you gotta go to QVC to get the pedestals. You can't get them off of homeworx.com officially. So yes, that's what makes the QVC site cool, and you kind of have to check on there. This video is so not sponsored. I have to say that again. I bought this with my own money, but I just like to give my elves the information so you all are equipped to make your own decisions. But alas, until next time elves, I'll catch y'all next video. Bye.